Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how you can remove your Snapchat friends really easily on the Snapchat application. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So in order to remove a friend on Snapchat, the process is actually really simple and you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you want to simply make sure you have actually downloaded and installed the Snapchat application to your device. If not, then head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you want to type in Snapchat and then go ahead and download the first application which comes up on the list. After you download it, you want to simply open Snapchat and make sure that you're actually logged into your account. So in order to remove our friends, first of all what we want to do is simply go to the chat screen by tapping on the chat button at the bottom left hand side. As you tap on the chat button, here it will show you a list of people whom you have kept friendship with. So in order to remove a particular friend, what you want to do is simply long press on any of the friends whom you want to remove. As you long press on it, at the bottom of the screen you will see multiple options such as snap, chat, audio call, video call, more, and send profile to. So what we want to do is you want to simply tap on the more button as you see it. As you tap on more, at the top of the screen you can see three buttons which are highlighted in red. The first one says report. You can also simply block this person to remove it, or the best option is to simply tap on remove friend button right over here. Once you tap on remove friend, you can simply see the option which says are you sure you want to remove this person as a friend. Go ahead and tap on this gray button which is removed, and this person will be successfully removed from your friend list on Snapchat. And you can similarly repeat the same for the others as well. As you tap on more, you can see the option called remove friend. Go ahead and remove them as you see them accordingly. So in this way you can really easily remove a friend as a friend on the Snapchat app. We hope this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you in our next video.